Hi guys, welcome back to Gamer6533. Today, we're playing some Hypixel Bed Wars. Okay, that's enough. I forgot. This here. Got some enchant armor. Here. Now get here. Oh my god, guys, that is a lot. Oh, let me check my inventory. Okay. That's good. Green is coming over. Okay, green fell. Our bed is not destroyed. We'll use some blue this. I don't know what they're called. And we're playing some Bed Wars. Please guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please. Yesterday we played some Murder Mystery. Yes, Murder Mystery. Yesterday. Yes, we did. People could come anyway. But when you're coming, we have to blow. Okay. This is, oh, that's good. Now we will go for, let's go for blue. Yeah, blue didn't go yet. This is, wait a second, how many times did I get? 2, come on, right here. Go here. Put my diamonds here. Let's keep going. Today, yes, my brother also has a channel. Please subscribe to him. Hit the notification bell. Please, to him and me. Please, guys, can you subscribe to me? Please, I really need all the good luck. So please, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Yes, guys. Okay. I'm doing some sprint. Ooh, 5 diamonds. Get some 5 diamonds. No! I died. That was close. But we lost our diamonds, guys. That's bad. But we still respawned. Nobody. Where's it again? Yes. Look how much. That is a lot. We're getting that much that like we did before. Okay, this is enough. This is enough. Go here. Good. Oh yeah, we already purchased that. Get this. Go here. Wait, victory already? What? We already got one victory, I guess. Show my screen. Yes, GG. Oops, I forgot. Okay, we're playing again. Play this. Escape. Okay. If you guys want to friend us, Creeper Gamers 456. That's my cousin. If you guys want to friend us, you can only friend us on you can only friend us on Java. Cause Java is on computers. You can't friend us on like Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PS4s. You can't friend us on Bedrock. Only you can friend us on Java computers. PCs, yeah. You can also friend us on PC. Yes, my skin. This is my skin, guys. It's a creeper ninja skin. Comment down below if you like it. And yes, if you have a phone, if it's like this, turn it this way. There's a red subscribe button. And press that, and it should be gray. And you also have to put the notification bell dinging. And you can do it on the tablet too. Yes. I don't know how you do on the TV, but try. So please guys, now I told you, if your phone is like this, turn it this way, there's a red subscribe button. Please, Press it. If it's gray, that's good. If it's not gray, then it's not good. So please guys, can you please comment down below? Thank you. So I told you already. Now you know, right? Okay, we're playing some bedrock. Okay, that's good. That's good. I'll take a little bit more. Okay, that's good. That's enough. We don't want that much, guys. Yeah. Yes, we don't want that much. Okay. Get this done. Then get some blocks. Get some wood. And get some this. Wait. Nope. Our is done. Okay. Please, guys, can you please subscribe to me? Okay. Let me just protect this for a little bit. They didn't protect it that good. I'm always protecting everything. I'm not a good builder though. Oh, yeah. People always come from here. Take some fall damage. Oh no, that was close. Then cover all of this so nobody can get in. Yeah, here too. So cover this a little bit. It's okay taking full damage. I just need a little bit full damage. Yeah, I can just get back. Yes. This is good though. Yes. You have 264s. Let's keep going. We're not taking full damage. We are not taking full damage, guys. We are not taking full damage. I'm sorry for not going live. Oh no. Come on. Oh no. No. Yes, I got him. It was half a heart. Oh my god, this is half a heart. That was close. But thank goodness I have an iron sword. And yes, we have some more business. Yeah. Do not. Thank you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. No! That is not good. I was almost about to get it. I was almost about to destroy their bed, but they got me. Comment up. I will also link my server below, and please friend us. When you go on Hypixel on Java, and then you write friends, go there and write gamer6533. Then we can all join. And please friend my cousin on Hypixel on Java. I'll put his name down below. Okay? So please friend him. I need more. We need 7. Need 3 more gold. 2 more gold. Oh no. It's getting harder and harder and harder. Go check our bed. Go check our bed. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I was distracted typing. Okay. Get here. I forgot. Okay. Permanent. That's good. That's good. We'll take 3 more iron. Oh, that's a lot. Yes, that's. Thank you. Yes, we will take. Good. Yeah. No. I died. This is the emeralds right here, I guess. There's one emerald. More gold, more gold, more gold. Please, guys, can you please subscribe? I really need you guys to subscribe. If I hit 10 million, my friend Dragon Flames will make a YouTube channel. Yes. And I'll also play modded. If I hit 1 million, I'll play modded. I don't want to get modded right now because I don't hit 1 million. If I hit 1 million subscribers, then I'll play modded. Okay, this is good. I'll take one more. Yeah, that's good. Now that's good. Item shop. We will take iron sword. Yeah. So we'll take this. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, keep going, keep going. Now we're not dying today. Thank you. Over here. Okay, that's good. We're not gonna die. Now you guys see my face? Thank you. Whoa, whoa, that was cute. I thought that was red. Diamonds. 8 diamonds! Yellow is coming. Yellow is coming. Be protected. Gamer, come. Gamer, you got this. Oh yes. Oh no! How's at the edge? He pushed me. He pushed me, guys. Oh, and that was close. Okay. Oh no. Yes! Blue, we got this. Blue, we got this. Blue, we got this. Okay. Please, guys, subscribe to me. If I had 1 million, I will play modded. If you guys want to play modded. I play Hypixel a lot. Yes. Okay, we will need yes, we will need 3 more gold. No, 2 more gold now. Yes. Oh, this is nice enchantment again. Okay, one more. Please guys subscribe. 1 more gold. Yes, we'll take some more. A little bit. Okay, that's good. Yep, that's good. Take this. Go here. That's good. And in Java, when you want to sprint, double tap W. Okay. For hold in lobbies. It's okay. Please, guys, we have to win another victory. No! Yes, victory! I told you we're gonna win victory. Let's go. I'm gonna say GG. Because that's a nice way to say good game. Okay, one more round. Okay, that's I don't know. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video, and see